Hello and welcome to Contractor's Point of View. My name is Gary and today I'm going to be doing my unboxing for my new Galaxy Z Fold 2. This here is my original Fold. It's still in great shape, still does everything it's supposed to, and I am looking forward to seeing what the new Fold has to offer. As you can see, I'm in very informal settings. I haven't shaved. I'm in a hotel room in between Bend, Oregon and Bozeman, Montana, traveling, getting ready to go. Before I do this, I wanted to first say thank you to everybody who has offered support, liked all the videos, commented on the videos. It's been great interacting with all of you, and I look forward to many more moments of interaction with all of you. Thanks for your patience also for waiting for me to get my Fold. It shipped to my house instead of to the hotel I was at because I didn't want a chance having it show up at the wrong place. So now that I finally have it, let's get into opening this up and letting me lay eyes on this thing for the first time. Now I know you've probably seen unboxings already, but we're gonna get into this and see what we think. I also bought a case, which I can immediately tell you that is going back. Gotta love that stuff. And my receipt. And the Z Fold 2 box. All right, now I promised myself I wasn't gonna get all hyped up because, like I said, there has been a lot of unboxings and I've seen a few, and I kind of know what I'm expecting, but at the same time, I don't know what it's gonna feel like. And I have fallen in love with the original Fold, and I hope it's to the point where this is gonna be enough of an upgrade that I just won't regret it. I've heard from a lot of people that I won't. So, kind of cool box. And you can see the Z has got some missing parts there. I'm gonna set that right there. All right, so here we go. All right, there we go with that. See, I only know how to do that because I watched all these other ones with the instructions. Introduction to Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities. Well, here's another thing I want to say is all those people who got the Z Fold 2 and skipped the Fold 1, a lot of people had said they were skipping the Fold 1 because they always are going to wait for the Fold 2. Well, in my opinion, you missed out. You missed out on a whole year of having fun with the Fold. It was a great phone. It still is a great phone. It's my favorite phone of all time. And yeah, so I love this thing. Anyway, let's get back to this. All right, so this is the paperwork. I'm not gonna get into that. Here is the phone. Okay, so yeah. Here I am smiling again. All right, how do we do this? Like I said, wow, look at that. Okay, so I did choose to get the Mystic Black with the, that's slippery. That's just slid right in my hand. Okay, so this is care instructions. I got the Mystic Black, and let's see if we can do this together. Boom, the red hinge. In this light that I'm in right now in the hotel, that looks orange, but it's basically like an anodized aluminum with the red. It's sort of red. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. It folds just like the other one. So let's see real quick if there's anything else I want to get out of here real quick. Premier service, charging block, and a cable. So just like everybody else's, nothing special, nothing exciting left in the box. All right, so here is the Z Fold 2. Ooh, okay, so that's pretty cool. The fingerprints scanner is in the power button now. It depresses, as opposed to the old one where the fingerprint sensor was separate from the power button. We'll have to see how I like that. Let's see. I'm gonna open both of these. All right, now I have my wallpaper and everything already on this, but this is my original Fold, and then this is the new Z Fold 2. See a little bit of difference in the screen size. Wow. Okay, a little bit more squared off corners, not as round, and it's a little bit more symmetrical. It's not as rectangle. It's still a rectangle. It's still longer this way than it is this way, but it's not as much as this one. Let's see, when we lay them flat, interesting. Okay, well, that is huge. Okay. Oh, they magneted together. All right, so this is them side by or one in front of the other, and you can see how much wider the Z Fold 2 is than the original Fold, and they're both lined up on this edge over here on this side, but they got this much sticking out over the edge on that side. I know that this has the screen protector on it, and I'm not quite sure what everybody was saying as far as the feeling goes, because this feels identical to the original Fold. So I'm going to be used to that, and I am not taking off my screen protector. I showed a picture a while back of how much my thumbs have, you know, just really laid into the original Fold screen. You can't see it when the screen is on, but when the screen's off, you can definitely see where I've been touching with micro scratches and stuff. So I'm not even attempting to take off the screen protector. Not interested in any way, shape, or form. So this is the 256 gig version. Wow, that's very stiff. And I can see, because of the new flex mode and being able to put the hinge in any position, why it would be a little stiffer, because this one, when it closes, I mean, it's a super easy, fast close. This one here, you actually have to push it, and then it closes. Wow. I'll say it right now, the red hinge was not worth the wait. I would have taken a silver hinge or a black hinge or anything else to get this sooner. But I have it, so there you go, I have it. I'm excited to really get into this thing. I don't have a case, and I'm really not that worried about it. I'm used to handling this thing with and without a case, so I think I'll be okay with this guy. The camera bump sticks out, but really it's not a whole lot more than the original. So I'm just probably going to get something that protects the camera bump and makes it so it keeps it safe. Now, I haven't seen the front screen. Interesting. So width-wise, they went the width of the phone. I want to remind you guys that I said in my other video about the Z Fold 2, be careful what you ask for. We got a full front screen display, and what's the first thing that we've noticed on all these cases? They've come out with half cases that protect the back only. There's a couple cases, maybe just a few, that have a case that snaps onto the front as well, but you're not seeing as many of those as I would have hoped, because that's a display. You want to protect it, and half the cases are half cases. So yeah, this is pretty sweet. And I'm gonna have to weigh these things. I have a scale that I use or I can just look it up, but yeah, I don't know. They don't feel that much different. So, yep, that is it. The red hinge, Mystic Black, excuse me, Galaxy Z Fold 2, and that's my unboxing. I will be putting my SIM card in this shortly as I travel to Bozeman, get it all set up, be using it for the next couple days. Hopefully when I get back to Bend, I will have some time and I will shoot out a couple more videos on my first impressions on this. I can tell you right now, just by the feel of it, I know that everybody's liking the flex mode and being able to put the screen up at an angle and use it for video or anything like that. I'm not too thrilled about that right now because of how stiff the screen is to close. It's definitely, you have to close it all the way. This one pulls itself closed. You know, I can just one finger. This is not like that. See, that's not, yeah, so you have to close it. Something I'll have to get used to, I know, and I'm not trying to nitpick, but, you know, I got to point out the differences and let you guys know what I think. But so far, here's my informal unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Thanks again for everybody who watches my videos, and I really can't wait to dive into this. This is going to be fun. It feels like a pretty sturdy phone, just like the original Fold. I have no issues with the original Fold. It works spectacular, and yeah, this looks like it's going to be fun. All right, I've talked to you enough. Until next time, stay safe.